For the thesis titled The Sound of Ideas Forming, the Relationship Between Sound Art and the Everyday, Alan's research focuses on the sound of ideas forming, explores the relationship between sound art and the everyday, considering recorded sounds from the perspective of curating and pedagogy. The research proposes a model for navigating through the excesses of available sound and methodologies for working with sound within visual art courses. I present Dr. Alan Dunn. My Lord Mayor, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Deputy Chair of Board of Governors, the name of students graduating in absentia are recorded in the program. That concludes the presentation of awards for the School of Art, Architecture and Design.